Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the device off and removing the SIM and tray so you have clear access. Once done, unscrew visible chassis screws and gently pry open the rear housing using a spudger. This prevents clips from breaking. Make sure to keep screws organized by location and use a magnifier to inspect the charging assembly. That tells you whether you need a new flex cable, port module, or just cleaning. You need a grounded mat to avoid static damage while handling the board. You now diagnose the board. Look for green corrosion, broken pins, or cracked solder joints which explain intermittent charge. If solder joints are compromised, heat each pad evenly and use solder wick to remove old solder. This protects pads and nearby components. Once clean, position the replacement port precisely, tack one pad to hold it, then solder remaining pads with controlled heat to avoid lifted traces. Make sure alignment is perfect, so the connector fits the housing and cable clearances. You finish by reconnecting all flex cables and loosely reinstalling screws to verify fit. Do not fully tighten until confirm the port lines up with the case. Once reassembled, test charging with the device off and then on, observing current draw and whether it registers charging. This verifies both mechanical and electrical fixes. If it still fails, check continuity across pads and the charging fuse, and inspect nearby power management ICs. Replace only after confirming the fault to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.